This is a quick video on what carpet spot cleaning solutions to use on coffee and beverage spills. This is a common question business managers and homeowners have. How do we remove everyday spills? Most carpet is made with protector treatments to enhance its resistance to common food and beverage stains, especially commercial-grade carpet. One thing to be aware of is spot carpet cleaning solutions with a pH higher than 10. They can adversely affect these protective treatments. Most people are probably unaware of the term encapsulation. This is a carpet cleaning solution that can be used to stop drink spills and food stains from wicking back up after a cleaning. In simple terms, an encapsulation detergent cleans the spill, then forms a crystal around the remaining soil. Think of it like a snowflake with a gob of coffee in the middle. This crystal dries and then can be removed with normal vacuuming frequencies over time. What is the downside? Sometimes there is just too much soil to encapsulate. In these situations, a professional steam cleaning is needed.